Hello guys, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. Today I got a new job notification for you. So before getting to the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates and watch this video till the end so that you will get the complete overview of these jobs, okay? And in order to apply, just visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com or else you will find the link in the description. Just click that link so that it will be redirected to the website and you can apply, okay? So please subscribe to get daily job updates. Here we can see that there are so many job opportunities like Myntra is hiring, GenQ is hiring, HP is hiring, Optum is hiring, GE is hiring, KPMG is hiring, Infosys is hiring, Amazon is hiring, and Capgemini is hiring. There are so many job opportunities for both freshers and experienced guys. So I request you to please subscribe and please visit our website. For most of the job opportunities, the last date is tomorrow. So I request you to have a glance on the website so that you will get a complete overview. So just visit our website and apply. So now let us see how to apply for Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring for multiple positions in pool campus drive for BCA and BSc graduates. It is a great opportunity. So I request you to please apply for this job if you are eligible. So here we can see that organization is Capgemini. So this job was posted on December 3rd, 2021. So as all of us know, Capgemini is a very great company. Capgemini Group Executive Committee consists of 27 members. On 20th May 2020, Ayman Asad was appointed as a new CEO. He is associated with Capgemini for more than 20 years. Its headquarters is in France, Paris. Capgemini is a French multinational information technology services and consulting company. It is headquartered in Paris, France. Capgemini has over 290,000 employees over 50 countries, of whom nearly 125,000 are in India. Capgemini is a global leader in consulting digital transformation, technology and engineering services. The group is at the forefront of innovation to address the entire breadth of clients, opportunities in evolving world of cloud, digital and platforms. Capgemini is on 9th rank in top IT companies in world 2021. The typical Capgemini fresher salary ranges from around 3 lakhs. Fresher salary at Capgemini can range from 2 lakh to 4 lakh. We believe that Capgemini will become the third largest MNC IT employer in India after IBM and Accenture. With this deal, Capgemini now has more employees globally than Wipro, India's third largest software services firm. The largest, highest paying job at Capgemini is vice president with a salary of 79 lakhs per year. Wow. The top 10% of employees earn more than 14 lakhs per annum. The top 1% earn more than whooping 27 lakhs per year. IT services and consulting services. Capgemini India has announced a pool campus drive 2021 for engineering MCA freshers. It has arrived engineers from all streams, all branches to register and apply on its website between till October 15th. Assignments and the hiring process will start from second week of October. In order to get daily job updates, I request you to please visit our website and join in any of these groups so that you won't miss any opportunities. Please subscribe so that you will get daily job updates and you won't miss the last date concerns and all. So it is hiring for multiple positions. Capgemini hiring a pool campus drive for BC and BSc graduates. Eligibility is like candidates graduating in 2022 batch only. Qualification is like BCA and BSc. Open for computer science, information technology, electronics, statistics, mathematics branches only. Should have 50% and above in graduation till 4 semesters or 2 years. Should be open to sign 2 years of service level agreement at the time of joining. So they are asking you to sign a bond. So sometimes it is good to have a bond, because like if you are a fresher, you will be able to sustain in that particular job for almost like 2 years, and it is great opportunity, and that too from an MNC, it is good. So I suggest you to please go ahead if you get such type of opportunities. Must be flexible to work from any Capgemini locations across technology domain, and should be flexible to work in shifts. Candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between intermediate and graduation. So I request you to please apply for this, and please keep in mind. And candidate appeared twice will be considered, provided both the mark list are available. Candidate should not take more than 3 years to complete BCA BSc. So Capgemini is generally very strict about all these concerns. If you are having any gap, they will consider a lot, like they will avoid considering you. So I have seen most of the cases. So I request you to please go through the complete details, then only apply for Capgemini. So it is very strict in some scenarios. So just go through them and don't waste your time also. I request you to please go through the complete details, so that you will be getting an overview, and then only apply for any job, like from entry level to experience level. Just go through them, and only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test assessment. Selection process. Enter selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode. Candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for virtual hiring process. So assessment process is like multiple choice questions based on English communication test, game based aptitude test, behavioral competency profiling, interview process. It is a test to test your communication, game and aptitude test. Like basic level will be there, since they are hiring for freshers. So experience needed is like 0 to 2 years. 2022 freshers, they are expecting only 2022 freshers, it seems. Salary is negotiable, they haven't mentioned anything. So apply as soon as possible. Last day to apply is December 12th, 2021. In order to apply, just click on this official link. It will be redirected. Just visit this. Let us wait for the moment. It's getting redirected. So here we can see the complete details. Capgemini campus drive for BC and BSc graduates from 2022 batch. So just go through them, the complete details, so that you will be able to get the complete details. They have provided in pictorial format the MCQ questions, game based aptitude test. Step 3 would be like behavioral competency profiling, interview process, etc. They have provided the complete details. Just go through them and apply for this job. It's a great opportunity for freshers to get a job in MNC. So I request you to please apply if you are eligible. Don't neglect. And the last day to apply is 12th December. So I request you to please apply as soon as possible. Fill the complete details, so that it will be recruiter might shortlist your resume. So I request you to please go through the complete details and then apply. So click on the register now option, so that it will be redirected, and please fill the complete details, like opening overview, like CTC. They have mentioned here particularly regarding the CTC. They have provided like 2.75 per annum. So just go through them, and you should have to be open to sign 2 years of service level agreement. That's what they have provided. And just click this apply now option, so that you'll be able to apply. Enter your email address, then click on next, so that it will ask you for this some of other details, like your personal details and your phone number and all, etc. And your resume. So it is suggested to keep a resume with a PDF format, and then only apply. So it will be good. And there are so many chances to get shortlisted. I have seen some of the students where people are preparing resumes in document formats and all. Please avoid that. It is always suggested to have a PDF format. That will give recruiter a good opinion on you, so they will be shortlisting you. So I request you to please prepare a new resume with a PDF format, and please join all our groups and apply, and visit our website in order to apply. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get daily job notifications. There are so many job opportunities also, like JP Morgan, Mindtree, Cognizant. Every day we will be updating almost like 5 job opportunities. So I request you to please visit our website and watch our videos, and so that you will get a complete glance. And we promise you to provide only genuine job notifications. So I request you to please subscribe to our channel, so that you will be able to apply for most of the jobs. Last date is tomorrow. So I'm again telling you to please apply as soon as possible. It will help you a lot. So there are so many job opportunities this week, so apply. So that's all from my end, and I hope this video helps you, and please comment below what type of jobs you need so that we will be able to prepare more videos for you. Yeah, stay safe, stay positive, keep smiling and keep learning. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.